Welcome back everyone to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and Jjjjound and the Adidas team are back at it again with another collaboration on the Samba OG silhouette, this time in the Tobacco Mesa colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome in. Be sure to hit that subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxing and styling segments. Today we're going to be talking about a collaboration done with Adidas and Jjjjound on the oh so loved Samba OG silhouette. So we'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this nice neutral toned monochromatic color scheme. Then we will conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. For those of you who are hardcore Jjjjound fans, you've probably been picking up Jjjounds left and right from different brands. Now Jjjjound seems to have made his stopping point at the Adidas team's side and has continued with collabs on the Samba OG, which again is a silhouette that Adidas is highly pushing out right now. And it is probably one of the most popular silhouettes I've been seeing on foot right now. I think that Jjjjound overall always has great collaborations just because of his simplicity. For those of you who do not know the brand Jjjjound, it is Justin Saunders, who is an artist from Montreal. Typically on most of his collaborations you'll see his subtleties in design, and this again is very monochromatic. So as far as it goes, this is the third rendition he's done on the Samba OG. This released with a capsule collection that was a black jumpsuit, and as far as the texture on this, a little bit different. This is a full all over suede texture in this nice just Mesa, or I guess you could say tobacco tone, and then we've got some darker shaded, almost like a nice clay tone for the lace set here. You do get an additional lace, which is more of a neutral wheat tone, whereas this has the wheat and that kind of clay reddish tone in between, so more of a striped look. As far as the tongue goes, we've got a fully covered suede tongue here, and then it looks like we've got a nice different intricate just striped pattern on the top there. Very subtle with the branding on this. Typically with Jjjjound collaborations you see very little brands on the brand side as well as on his side of things. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side panels. All right, so wrapping around to the side panels, again, this hairy textured suede fully covers the underlays underneath the three stripes, which is in a darker tan tone, and then you're getting that same finish on the back of the heel. Same exact color blocking on the lateral side, except you're getting the Jjjjound logo in that metallic gold color scheme. The interior is in a nice, smooth, light brown leather, and then the insole is in white and black with Jjjjound's branding on both sides of the insole. Then when we work our way to the bottom, the sneaker is brought together with this gum midsole and gum bottom for the outsole. All right, so let's take a look at those details, then move along into size and fit. far as size and fit goes, I typically size half a size down in all of my Samba OGs. Again, they do run a little bit on the narrow side of things, so do take that into consideration when deciding on what size range will work best for you. If you have wider, flatter feet, I would actually maybe stick true to size or even sizing up on these. But if you have narrow feet like myself and high arches, I would say size down. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, this is definitely one of the most stylish looking silhouettes that is oh so trendy right now here in New York and all over. Actually, I've just been seeing everyone wearing the Samba OG silhouette. As far as this color combination goes, super easy to style this one. For the first look, I decided to keep it pretty casual with some distressed kind of age looking jort shorts in a yellowish and brownish hue, and then I wore a simple just cream tank top. Then for the second look, I decided to dress up a little bit with a white and blue mini dress. And then for the last and final look, I went with a pair of white shorts and then just a nice beige tee to kind of match the beige hues of the sneaker itself. All right, so as far as retail goes, these retailed at $160. The original pairs were a little bit more pricey at $250. So I was actually really excited that for some reason they decided to drop the price point on these a lot lower, making it more affordable. As far as the resale goes, these are in smaller sizes going a little bit under that retail price point, and then for larger sizes, they are a little bit above. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.